Today, I'm going to show you how to print entries in Jotform tables. This is particularly useful when you need physical copies of your form submissions for record keeping, presentations, or sharing with team members who prefer paper documentation. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This is where all your forms and tables are stored, so make sure you're signing in with the correct account that contains the table you want to print from. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Tables. This section houses all the tables you've created or have access to within your Jotform account, making it easy to manage and view your collected data. Now you'll see a list of all your tables, browse through them, and locate the specific table that contains the entry you want to print. Once you've found it, click on View Table to open it. This will display all the entries that have been submitted to that particular table, giving you a complete overview of your data. Within the table, you'll notice that each entry has several options in the first column. Find the entry you want to print and click the View button next to it. This action will open up a detailed view of that specific entry, showing all the information that was submitted. Once the entry details appear in the right panel, look at the top of this panel. You'll see several icons, including a print icon. Go ahead and click on that print icon. This will trigger your browser's print dialog to open, preparing the entry for printing. When the print dialog appears, take a moment to adjust your settings according to your preferences. You can modify options like the layout, whether you want portrait or landscape orientation, which pages to print, and other printing preferences. These settings ensure that your printed document looks exactly how you want it. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your print settings, click the Print button. This will send the document to your connected printer, and your Jotform entry will be printed out. And that's it. You've successfully printed an entry from Jotform tables, giving you a hard copy of your form submission data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.